Hi guys, and welcome back to the garage. Today I've been shopping and I have found these Majorette tune-ups. Now Majorette is a brand that I found in Asda alone. I'm sure there are other places, but these look quite cool. So 18 metal cars to collect, but they come with accessories. So you open it up by twisting this bad boy here. So let's get them open, shall we? That says tighten or remove. Let's remove. Right, so straight off the bat I've had to cut that open. Inside is a car. These are similar scale to Hot Wheels, they're not exact. If you've got a couple of them, then I'm sure they'll be fine. Comes in a little box. You literally just twist and pull. But anyway, little box. Rubbish. That is the different styles you get. Oh, there's a full list of there. So, I had some stickers slash decal type things fall out of there. And then here I'm assuming is the tune-ups. Yeah, there we go. So in there we've got almost armour. That on the front of there. That's the one. Oh, that's all we got with that one. Well, that's no good. That's disappointing. It says 7 surprises. That's 1, 2, 3. Odd. Well, I'm feeling slightly cheated by that one, but it's fine. I got 2 more. Get into this one. This car. Ooh. Like a minivan. That's pretty cool. That is massive, but it's pretty cool. Tuning stuff. It just sounds like one tiny little bit rattling around in there. There's a wheel. Now I think this could be a little bit of a swizz. There's literally nothing else in there. Unless there's anything else in here. It's a roll cage. Again, another cage for that. That looks pretty cool for that, but that again is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5. We're missing bits, I think. And then the last one. Oh, that's nicer. Don't know what it is. Toyota GT86. It's quite cool looking. And then in the boxes, this one's got nothing else in there. Some kind of armoury body kit to it. There is something else plastic in here. Just open it the proper way, shall we? Get nothing else in there. Bonnet. Not much ever before. and a decal as well. So I'm not going to lie, that's massively disappointing. So if you look at this one that we've got here, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So the bits are all there. 7's, that's a little bit of a Swiss, isn't it? The gold one at the bottom. Got the cage, the bonnet, the stickers. Wow. That's a little bit of a waste of time. I'm sure we'll do something with these, but yeah, that gets a thumbs down from me. I wouldn't bother. I'm going with a Majorette letdown, but hey, till next time.